A coalition of 1,600 scientists say that there is no climate crisis. And even some researchers and scientists say that the more CO2 that there is in the atmosphere actually benefits the earth and all of its life, including plants. And even some researchers call CO2 plant food. So definitely some shocking contradictions. So it seems like it's becoming more and more like a civil war amongst people that believe climate change is caused by human activity. Then, of course, the opposing side that says climate change is caused by natural processes and cycles. So, Governor Ron DeSantis recently signed a new piece of legislation that basically bans climate change from being mentioned in the state's statutes. So, definitely a new shocking piece of legislation. So, just a few details in regards to this new piece of legislation that bans climate change from being mentioned in Florida's state statutes. So, the first detail says that there will be a ban on all wind turbines in any type of new wind technology. This has shocked a lot of people due to the fact that Florida has one of the lengthiest coastlines within the US. So basically, it's the perfect state to implement this new innovative type of wind technology. Then, of course, it promotes the expansion of natural gas, and it also reduces restrictions on gas pipelines as well as gas appliances. But there are a few positive notes in regards to this new piece of legislation signed by DeSantis, such as investing into small nuclear reactor technology. So that's some exciting news, a new piece of innovative renewable technology that's associated with nuclear reactors. So, and then also another positive note about this new piece of legislation is that it also invests a lot of money into improving the electric grid. And then it also promotes the expansion of vehicles powered by hydrogen. So, this is a complete contradiction to California and Governor Newsom. So, recently, Newsom was at the Vatican Climate Summit from May 15th through the 17th. And a lot of these politicians that really support climate change emphasize the importance of tackling the fossil fuel companies because a lot of them argue that they're involved with this situation only to make short term profits and gains at the sacrifice of the long term sustainability of the earth and all of its inhabitants. So, definitely some major contradictions between, different politicians, because right after DeSantis signed this new piece of legislation, that's when Newsom kind of, took off to this Vatican climate summit. But definitely a very interesting ideology going on here, with one group saying, there should be a ban on fossil fuels, and then another group saying, hey, we actually need more CO2 into the atmosphere. But thank you.